Hello everyone, today I come up with a new camera which is a solar powered wireless camera from AOSU, and as you can see, you can control it with the Google Home as well if you have any other applications such as your LED lights or another camera, so you can control all of them together. So I will just unpack it and see what we have inside it. So in our box I have two cameras. It says 360 and with solar powered, and also two mounts for outside and with screws, and one base for inside. So we're gonna log into internet with the router and the charger, and also two charger for the cameras and one Ethernet cable, and also a quick start guide. You can check if you need any information about it, and also two measurement for the mounts, so we can just drill the cameras outside on the wall. Now I'm gonna set up the base for the cameras to plug the Ethernet cable over here and the charger. So after that we need to download the application to connect the cameras. So I will show you how we can do that. Let's check it. Now I set up the base right over here. You can see that it's like clicking over here, and just right like that you can see that the internet is on. And also this is my internet router, so it looks it's working. So I'm gonna just download the application and set up the first camera. Set up our camera, so we need to first download the AOSU application either on your Android or iOS phone. So it's easy. After that you need to sign up, and after then we're gonna connect our camera to the application. After you download the application and sign up for the AOSU, so we're gonna add our camera right over here to choose the add devices. Now I just push the add devices, and it says like scan the QR code just back of your devices. So I'm just gonna add it because it can see my home base. Now yes, it is connected right now. So there are two cameras, you can see that. So I'm gonna connect one of my camera right now. Try to turn on the camera. You can see that just right over here it says like how to do that. So I'm gonna just do it right now. You can see that it's right over there at the right side. So I'm gonna hold it like for 5 seconds. Yeah, you can see that.
Hello.
Okay, now our camera is on. Now go back and turn on camera. Now it's going on, we'll see. Okay. So I'll just turn on the camera. Now you can see me. So now you can just control your camera like that when you turn the camera, and you can see that just so easy. And also it has like a microphone, so I will just turn it around like 360. You can see anything right over here. So as you can see, you can turn it around the camera 360. It looks great. And I'm gonna use some functions over here. So I just turn it off the sound, because it when you connect it to microphone, it's making some like noises because of the camera. So after that we will try it. And right over here there are some functions, so either you can control it here with this function, or you can just control the camera to turn it on and on the like all of them like that. So it's easy. Now I'm gonna just put it on the wall for the day and for the night as well. So I tried the camera at my window, so it's just like downloaded like everything right over here. Either if you want to upgrade to the cloud, you can definitely do that, or you can check them over here at local. So I just downloaded and I'll publish with my video as well, so you can see the quality of it. And also you can just right over here go to settings and do some settings if you want to change it, like about video. And also you can connect to Google and Alexa to control it, which is very easy. Now as the camera is on, you can see that you can turn it off right over here if you want to. So you can see the blue lights just is gone. And also I can see that you can just like wake it up right over here from your application. So these are the mounts. One of them you can put it in the wall, and I'm gonna record for the evening as well, so you can see that this is like drill. You can drill it and it's very easy right over here. You can see just plugged in here and it will be fine for you. So we'll try for the night as well, see how the camera recorded. Thank you. Now what's going on? Let's see. So I'll just turn on the camera. Now